Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need a Microsoft 365 account and Planner enabled. Once confirmed, open Outlook and use the app launcher to jump to Planner. Create a new plan now, name it clearly and pick public or private depending on who needs access. Make sure to set the owner and description so team members understand purpose. Once done, add a first bucket to group work. This gets you out of setup and into actually creating tasks immediately. Now you'll structure work. Create buckets that map to stages or teams, which keeps the board scannable. Add tasks quickly, title, due date, and assign to one or more people. Use checklists for subtasks. Attach files or links so context lives with the task. Once tasks exist, apply labels and set priority to help sorting. You can also link dependent tasks so nothing starts before a prerequisite finishes. This keeps the plan actionable and trackable. Finish by sharing the plan and setting member roles so collaborators have the right permissions. Notify them in Outlook or post to Teams for visibility. Then sync important deadlines to your calendar and let assigned users see tasks in To Do. That closes the loop between planning and daily work. If something breaks, try refreshing the app or clearing cache, confirm planner license and permissions, and re-add missing members. That resolves most visibility and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.